This 2016 Keystone Cougar XLite 30 RLI is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Keystone is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 6, refrigerator, stove top burner, auxiliary battery, external shower, awning, DVD player, Colorado Detector, spare tire kit, LP detector, oven, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Keystone Cougar XLite 30 RLI is 7,720 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.